Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, so this video is very important for you because of I'm order bunch of accessories related on my Tesla car, and as usual my favorite online store, and that store name is Slack platform. Link is available on video description. So now unboxing. And that one is a real carbon fabric central console over layers for the Tesla car. The middle one, look at this, the quality is very nice, amazing. As a setup point of view, it's very simple. We are receiving 3 products and backside is a strong sticker is available. You can fix properly. First looking the measurement of the portion, and then middle one. If you have model 3 2024 version, so this product for this model, this one is middle, and last one backside, this sticker is very strong. You after fixing, you're not easy to able remove this one, and look at this, and very easily open and close as well without facing any problem here. It's really nice, and after that the look like it's amazing and rich. So these are the accessories. If you really like this unboxing, you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. If you want buy this accessories, the Slack platform are providing very affordable and richness of each and every accessories. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.